A to Z Elephant Adventure Story. Elephant eating apple. 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 Then elephant playing with a butterfly. 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 Then he eats a carrot. 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 And then he saw a drum. Drum. He is playing with a drum. Then elephant is talking to a frog. Then he saw a grapes. Grapes, and he start eating grapes. Then he saw a hat and he wear a hat. Hat. Then elephant eating ice cream taking from a jar. Then he play with a kite. Kite. Then he play with the leaf. He is playing with the leaf. And he saw a moon. And he saw a nest. Then he eat orange. Orange. He is eating orange. Then he saw a penguin. Penguin. And he is talking to penguin. An elephant is sitting on a quilt. And he started reading. And he saw a sun, sun, and he is talking to turtle, turtle. Ara rain, sun, turtle. And he is taking umbrella, umbrella. And he is playing violin. He is playing violin. And he is eating watermelon. Elephant eating a watermelon. And he is playing a xylophone. Xylophone. Elephant is playing with a yo-yo, yo-yo, and in front of zebra, zebra.